I can't believe the day is finally here. 10.5 years ago, we were just kids in high school when you asked me to be your girlfriend. I had high hopes for what the future had in store for us, but what actually came next was better than I could have ever imagined.
Preeti and Giovanni, you are here surrounded by friends and family. Some people here have known you your entire lives and some for only a few years. But no matter how long or under what circumstances, I can guarantee that everyone here knows the remarkable individuals and what an incredible couple you are. You've impacted each other and those who surround you on this happy day. Now we surround you and return the favor with our good wishes and our loving thoughts as you declare your commitment to one another. Now you shall say a few words that will take you across the threshold of life, and things will never be quite the same between you. For after these vows you shall say to the world, "This is my husband, this is my wife."
All right. It seems hard to believe, but we've been together for over 10 years now. Since the day I met you, I knew you were special. You motivate me to be better, to be more of me, to not feel worried about the small things, and to experience life to its fullest. I am a better man because of you. I am a better friend because of you, and one day a great father because of you. You have done so much for me over the years, like cook me delicious meals, plan fun trips, and putting up with my bad habits like kissing Dusty first before I kiss you. I am so happy I will have you by my side as my loving wife, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
I think of all that has gotten us to this moment, both good and bad, and I couldn't be prouder of the amazing adventures and memories we've created, as well as the unconditional love and encouragement we gave each other during the tougher times. When I look at you, I see so much potential for our future. I'm excited for all that is yet to come and can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
And now, in front of family and friends, I have the honor of pronouncing you husband and wife. Giovanni, you may kiss your bride.